love Pac-Man. Chomp, 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 chomp. You're telling me we have to build this?
Yeah.
How many pieces does this have?
431.
Grab the cherries. Avoid the ghost. And here's the Pac-Man coaster car. I'm excited. Let's get this out.
Get it out. Just get it out.
Let's open the bags. Ooh, Pac-Man. Where do we start? Page number 1.
This is gonna take a long time.
And hopefully if we're successful, this will be the final product.
Mm-hmm. Done.
Da 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 da! We have a completed roller coaster.
Look, we even got the car on.
Right behind the blue ghost. And then we have the red ghost up here, the pink ghost, and of course the orange ghost.
If we built this correctly, it should go up here, then down, through the hoops, and then upside down, and then back where it started.
Well, let's see if we did it right. But wait, we need to put the batteries in.
I only got that done.
Then let's begin. All you do is you press that little button, and all these gears go to work. Oh yeah! Get the cherries! Bam! Time for the double loop. Wow!
Don't hit me, Sherry. Watch this.
Oh! Oh! Dude, that had to hurt.
He did, I
Boom!
know.
Look at Pac-Man. See you later. 1, 2, 3. 3 seconds.
Amazing.
Here's one loop.
What? Here's the other loop.
Hey, your face topped it. Whoa, it still went down. Woohoo! Big Pac-Man, little Pac-Man.
Hi, I'm wearing big eyes.
I'm gonna put my finger on the track. Ah! That didn't even hurt. You can either go reverse or you can go forward.
I have some Minecraft characters.
All right, open it up.
Time to go on a roller coaster. Hey, that's not how you ride a roller coaster. You're gonna get knocked off.
Watch out!
Oh no, I'm gonna go help him. Are you okay, sir?
And you stopped the roller coaster.
I'll try to ride it. Oh no, what are you doing? He went under the track. I'm up here.
There he is.
I'm fine.
That's a safe space. Oh no! I was wrong! Which one is gonna stay on top? Let's find out. Turn it on! I bet the green one stays.
Yep, I bet green one stays too. Or maybe it's not.
No! You didn't quite make it. We got all of our Minecraft spectators rooting on Pac-Man. Look at this cool dog.
Look at this cat, it's golden.
Do you have a golden cat?
Yeah, I have a cool cat.
Let's see if the bouncy ball will bounce out. Who's gonna win, the ball or Pac-Man?
No.
The ball!
Red.
No! Oh, got your thumb!
Orange ghost, you're going down.
Knock him off! Yeah! Yeah! You just got owned!
Yeah!
That's one way to do it. Nom 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 nom. Yummy. I'm still hungry. Where's that boy at? Come here. Nom 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 nom. You. Ooh, big red dot.
Mmm. Are you still hungry now?
I'm so full.